Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do day 10 of the Leetcode JavaScript challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Oh, well, I'm a couple of days behind. But yeah, today's problem is 2632 query. So query is a concept that actually does come up, um, maybe not so much, depending on how you want to do it. It's basically a part of functional programming that allow us to. It's just kind of nice because it kind of remove a dimension, or basically allows you to pass functions around without passing or functors around without passing a lot of parameters, right? Let's say you, in this case, if you want to add, you could have a function that's called add three. So then now instead of every function is like sum one three, now you can have add three to that takes one parameter. So that's basically the idea. And basically what you want to do is let's think. I mean, this actually just kind of a little bit of background. This comes up quite a bit, but to be honest, because it is a big part of functional programming as well. To be honest, I'm not quite like figure out how I want. It is something that is very helpful during testing for sure. But I don't know, because I think some part of it is that it for me it impedes debuggability a bit, but maybe that's just me. Maybe there is tooling that I'm not very good at using. So definitely, if you have comments about query, or let me know. But anyway, let's get to this querying. What are we trying to do? So okay, so we have a function sum that takes three parameters, and you want to. Oh, basically, you want to make it. I was looking to see how it figures, but okay. I mean, it's not so bad, but it's a little bit confusing, I guess. Or like I don't. Oh, I see. So the inputs are calling it like this. Okay. Oh, I see. I was trying to figure out how to read the actual input, but yeah. Okay. So basically, so here we're guaranteeing for now anyway that the inputs are three parameters in input. Let me think about how to quite do this in a good way, right? So basically, mm, the current function. So basically, you want a function that returns an input, right? Is this no? So we return a function, right? So no, this is quite the syntax. Let me think about this for a second. A lot of this is around the syntax that I'm just unfamiliar with, to be frank. So definitely, I mean, this is definitely something that at least, I mean, in Python, you have this same idea of partial functions and stuff like this. So it's kind of cool in that way as well. But I just do something like this, where I'm just testing to see if this is going to give me a syntax error. Query function. Query fn is not a function. Is this not a function? Is this what? No. Yeah, that's what I. So, I thought that's how you would call it or return it, but it's not. I need a little bit of a hint on, because I don't want to obviously search and then give away the answer. What is the syntax here? Does this work? Or am I just being dumb? I mean, they both could not mutually exclusive. But how am I returning a function? Didn't I do? Let me take a look at the earlier days. Because I feel like I did some. We did this, right? Or am I just like returning a function? Yeah. So maybe that's not a good example. That's also not a good example. I'm just trying to figure out like how to return a function that I can even template on, right? And this debugging is not really useful. Yeah, I need like at least like how do I return a function that does this, right? Because my idea is just having this and then maybe one more dot, and then you do a parameter on the args, right? And then args will be an array, and then basically. Oh, I see. Maybe I'm just returning 5 because I'm an 8. No, that's something like that. This is like such a not useful thing. If you're gonna build a thing, if you're gonna literally have a month based on it, then like, give us good examples. I don't get it. I don't get what the error is. That's why. Like I can't just return anything. Maybe something like that for the first one. I know that this one we don't want to do, but I don't know how to I don't know how to look up syntax without cheating by accident. So I think this okay, so some I don't even do I have to modify this? I don't know if this is like I don't know what to do. Let me click on the hint. Yeah, I mean I know that. I'm asking about syntax. Yeah, okay. I don't want to. Okay. I already knew how to do it, but like functionally, I just don't know how they want to. I don't know the syntax part of it. Like I don't get it. Like if we can return, oh no, this returns a function, right? So this is such a useless error message. Like I don't know what to do with this one. It's not a function, fine, but but I don't know. I guess I'll have to cheat. I don't know. I just don't know enough about the syntax. Just give me like a little bit of the code so I can see. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you have to do this change, but I don't. Okay. So the template that they gave us was wrong. Okay. Fine. I'm not gonna use bind, but. Okay, so this is right, but then why is it not? Why does this give me an error then? Like, shouldn't that be okay? I don't get it, to be honest. Like, for that's why I got a little bit confused, unless I'm doing something really fun. Oh, no, this returns this function, right? And this function just returns 10. I don't get why this is. I don't know. Like, if I literally just copy and paste the thing, would that be good? I don't want to. Huh. What did I change? What is the difference here? Sorry, friends. I'm just very confused about the because I tried this, right? And it still was giving me wrong, like that weird exception. Otherwise, I could have. See, like I don't get it. What? I think now I get it, but it's still because the original function, like in theory, if I just do this, it just does no querying. It should just return the same answer. Now it may be wrong and stuff like this, but this this error message is crap. Okay, so let me try to. I don't know. Right? It's so weird, this problem. Or like the error message is just not useful, right? So basically, we want something like this. If it's greater than 0, then, or if it's equal to 0, then we can just return function, maybe. If its length is equal to 0, then what are we returning, right? Let me think. How do I want to do this? I don't know. This is such a weird problem. Let me know in the comments if I'm just being unreasonable. I'm really just confused about this problem, to be honest. Like syntax and the error message, and like maybe I can run this in a playground or something. Do I get playground or whatever? I guess I do because I have whatever thing, right? Notebook, is it? My playground. Maybe that's what I need to do, and because I want to run this in a thing, because I want to run this part of it. I think that's why. Maybe that's the part that I'm missing a little bit, all right. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Because I think I'm not understanding it, because maybe this does some stuff in how they do. But there's a solution thing, right? So like, I don't know. Like, why does this not work? How do I run one photo? Why is it on like upper left? See, sum is not a function. Maybe I just don't fundamentally understand some of this, but like if I just return 5, I see, because then now it tries to call a function on 5, so that's why this is bad, right? Okay, so then here what we want is actually, maybe I now understand it, but I think now I understand it, but this is such a poor error message. I guess maybe that's just the default JavaScript message, but I feel like they could do a little bit better job at educating. I see. Okay, so basically, so okay, so if it's equal to 0, then we can just return not the original function, right? But basically, we want the last. Okay, so let's go to recursion first. Maybe that's a little bit easier. But basically, we want to call this. We want to return query of the first n-1 element, right? So basically something like this. So maybe syntactically I have to figure out how to do it, like yeah, okay. So then you have an array. No. Okay, this one I'm struggling with, I'm not gonna lie. Mostly because I'm just confused. But how do I return slices? That I can Java slice arg slice. Rest is more convenient. Okay, fine. But in this case, yeah, it's on the other side. Okay, let me try. Sorry, friends. I am. I guess maybe today this is how I learn. I know how to do it with partial functions, but but I don't know that I know how to do it syntactically in JavaScript. Maybe that's the. I mean, that's definitely an issue, but. Okay. So you want to return a function that has one less thing, right? Like you want this -1. How do I JavaScript slices? Give me JavaScript script. Array without last element, maybe. Pop or slice. Alright, let's just try this for now. Right, and then so that would be the thing, and then we want this think I'm just very confused because then now if the length is 0, then what do we do? I don't even know if this is right. So let's just run it and then see if at least we get an answer. Okay. Oh. Wait, why? Well, at least this is a different thing. Oh, this is, I put period instead of comma, that is. Okay. Okay, well, it's still wrong. Why is the one called top when everything else they have has one called the bottom? So confusing. Oh, oops. I don't know if the last thing is on top or bottom because they don't. Okay, well, at least it's no issues. Let's actually print this, right? Is there a print function, or do I have to do console.log.print or whatever? What is? How do you? I don't even know how to print in JavaScript. It's something like this, right? JavaScript console print. Wow, this is a disaster. Console.log. That's it. Okay. I knew it was something like this, but see, this is still doing print. Okay. Fine. No, I guess I have to do it this way. Okay, yeah. Not doing it quite right. Let me think about this. Okay, I think I'm stepping a little bit ahead of myself. Let's think about this. Let's think about this real quick, right? So basically, let's say if as you go to 3, and I'm going to rewrite this, but basically not recursively, or like then we return function fn of, well, no, then it returns, I see, because I have to return a function, not the value. Maybe something like this. Oops, that's the share button. I don't know the syntax for this. And I don't know where it prints out. Okay, that's not the syntax for, that's a syntax for an anonymous function, but maybe I'm mixing my languages. But basically, let's say, okay, let me think about this real quick. But if, let's just say this is equal to 3, right? Then we actually want to return a function that how do I do slices again? Let's just say x, right? Where return function of, so basically like okay, right? And then you return args of 0 plus 1. something like this, right? I mean, this isn't quite right, or I mean, it maybe is right, but it's obviously not general, right? So let me just at least run this real quick. Maybe I have to write. I do not know how to read this. Oh, whoops. Wait, is that right? Yeah, okay, fine. Let's take this off. I'm testing this thing. See, sum is not a function. Am I missing? Oh, I see. Because this is the. All right. I have to check. Because this is the thing. Is let's see. JavaScript check function number of parameters. Right. I think this is because this is different from. Yeah. So fn.length. Maybe. Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay, so that's where I went wrong. Okay. So now we have that took forever. Also, it's still not right? It doesn't return this thing for some reason, or it should. Oh, I think I messed it up. Maybe I need something like this, but that's not good. Does that work? Maybe what? Maybe there's an extra parameter thing. Maybe like it's something weird, like the first parameter is the function or something like this. I don't know. Oops. This is taking a long time. Why does that happen? Why? Oh, because this is returning the function, which is returning function. Oh. Yeah, okay. I think I'm still missing some part because I don't know why this isn't executing. Oh, I'm dumb because this, I need to do AB, not, okay. I'm dumb. Okay, it's still. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't understand the syntax. Why is this not like how do we evaluate this? Also, I guess technically this is like not used. Why is it not used? Like that works, right? That would be silly with that. Yeah. Why is this? At least we're getting closer, maybe. Wow. I'm just struggling with this. I don't get it. I think maybe because I think here should be good. Maybe. Okay, I think it was just returning the function. So okay. Okay, so now that we have at least finally a template to kind of work on. Okay, yeah. So then basically now this function is this thing, right? So then now we have right? So then now we want to return fn of args. Why doesn't this work again? Because it doesn't return a function. I see. Yeah, right. Okay, so then now we have to convert this, but recursively in a way. And I was using args. I think that's where I got confused. But okay, if fn.length is equal to 0, is that true? No, that's if. Okay, I think this one we need args though. Right, so if this is equal to 0, what happens? Maybe I don't know how to do this, maybe. Because I'm at fn of all the things that we've done. I'm confused. Okay, so so let's say we have one thing, right? Then we want to return a function that is technically I don't even need to name it, but well, I guess we do because of the recursiveness. So basically we want to let me see if this works. Right, and then I don't know, something like this, right? I don't remember the anonymous JavaScript syntax. Let me Google it. It's just function whatever, right? Okay. Something like that, maybe? I don't know. Sorry, friends. Oh, what the? What am I printing here? The length. What is 2 twice? Oh, I guess this is just this. Well, we never call fn, so. I don't know why this prints this. I don't even. That's the result of the thing that we're pointing. Okay, let me restart a little bit. Okay, so the base case is if this length is if this is equal to f.length, then we just return fn of args, right? Otherwise, if they're not the same length, then what do we do? Then I think that's the part that I was missing. Okay. Then we return a function. I don't know. That basically concatenates them, I think. How do I concatenate? Maybe something like this. I think that's the part I was missing. I was confusing the function thing and the thing. Yeah, right. Okay, fine. I think I was just confusing the function parameters and the other parameters. That is a little bit silly, but I guess maybe it is what it is. Okay. Have to reset the test cases. Okay. Alright, that was kind of hard. I was also trying to, because I think I misunderstood part of this as well. Because, well, at least, yeah, I didn't know that because I was trying to do it one at a time from the end, and that's why I kind of did it in an awkward way. But now it makes sense after I kind of saw the part about variable. Okay, I mean, this is a very long video. My apologies. Hopefully, I don't know if you learned anything about it. I certainly did learn a little bit about it. So yeah. Yeah, let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.